In a previous video, we showed you how to add a page range by using the start range and end range building blocks. And those have to go in your marker entries themselves. And you can see an example here on Resize Multiple Tables. At the page 4 entry, we have the start range building block, and at the page 6 entry, we have the end page. Now we can do some of this automatically. Let's take a look, for example, this entry called Revert to Save down here. And we've got page 3, 4, 10. And we can automatically add page ranges for consecutive pages. So let's show you how that works. And first of all, we'll go to the reference pages here. And what we want to look for is we want to look for a paragraph that has the page num building block. And we can see that here at the bottom. And the way to make sure you have the correct paragraph is to look down at the lower left-hand corner of the document window, and the paragraph format name will be the same name as the marker type that you're using. And in this case, we're using index markers, and then it'll have the suffix of the generated file, and in this case it's IX. So we're looking for index IX. And the reason you may have to look for this specifically is if you have an index that uses multiple marker types, you're going to want to make sure you put this building block in the correct one. So we're going to press the home key to get our cursor at the beginning of the line, and we're going to type open angle bracket $ auto page, or auto range, I'm sorry, auto range. And then we're going to go back to the body page, and then we'll go ahead and generate this index and see what we get. Alright, so let's go down here, and you can see what this did. This actually automatically added the page range between 3 and 4 without us having to put the building block within the individual marker. That's just a way of saying at any time you have one or more consecutive pages, make it a page range automatically. Now again, the caveat there is it only works with consecutive pages, so it didn't add a dash, it didn't say 3-10, it said 3-4 because those pages are consecutive, and then we had a comma and then the page 10, and a lot of times that's exactly what you want.